Damn, you're pretty close to me.
What?
I was pretty close to me.
Yeah, I don't know how you caught up so quick.
What's up, Colin?
Hey, what's up,
dude?
guys? How's it going?
What's up, dude? Oh shit. What's up, dude?
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
What are you guys playing?
Just Mario Kart.
Mario Kart, dude.
Oh, right on, cool. Who's
On top
playing?
screen.
He's playing Princess Peach or whatever her name is.
She's behind us.
Oh, for sure. He's winning.
He's winning.
Sorry.
Ah.
First.
Right on.
I'm getting there though. I'm fourth.
Cool. So, I got something to tell you guys.
Oh yeah, what's that?
You might want to. We're already sitting down. But you might want to pause it.
I'm not gonna pause this game. I'm about to win.
It's just kind of like I think you guys are gonna be kind of butthurt about it. It's about the video.
I don't even get mad about anything anymore. After I've been doing my meditations, I've just been at peace with myself.
Yeah.
And you know.
Well, you might want to do a little quick meditation right now because you might get a little.
I'm good. I
bothered.
did some early.
All right. Well, should I just come on and say it?
Yeah, say
Yeah,
it,
just
dude.
say it. What are you talking about?
Honestly, barely listening.
The Halloween special is gonna come out on Halloween.
What?
The Halloween special, the one that we've been filming for the past month, making the skits for and editing, it's not gonna come on the 31st. There's nothing I can do about it. You see, I knew you'd be mad at me.
Not mad.
I'm not mad.
Not mad.
I'm just disappointed.
I'm fucking pissed.
Yeah,
I'm furious.
I'm a little mad.
There's nothing I can do about it. My PSU broke.
Colin,
My computer's fried.
you make me wish.
I'm gonna get a new part, but just like for now, I can't do anything.
Colin, you make me wish that homicide was legal, so that I could kill myself and not be around you right now.
If I killed myself right now, I would be more happy than I am in this moment. Fuck.
But I'm not mad.
I'm not mad.
Yeah, you guys don't sound mad at all.
Not mad.
I'm not mad.
Okay, well, there's nothing we can do. So we.
I'm not mad.
Okay, it really seems like you're mad. So
Why?
I
How?
wouldn't even
Okay.
just like
Why?
stop saying you're not mad because it
Why?
seems like you're really mad.
What? Don't.
Why and how?
Don't
Colin?
touch me. Don't touch
Why
me.
and why and how, Colin? Why and how?
Okay, wait. No, hold on. We can fix
Like
this. We
the
can
third
fix
time
it.
my
Wait, wait.
PSU is fried and power supply unit.
Wait.
I don't know what that means.
It's pretty much what gives power to my computer. It's broken.
Wait.
I'm getting a new part though. So
Did
it'll
you
be here by
try
the week.
unplugging it and plugging it back in?
Yes.
Let's just.
It's a Halloween special, dude.
It's. We literally spent all the time doing it for
Here's what we're
Halloween.
gonna do. We're gonna add some more skits, make it a little better. Have it out by next Halloween. It'll be perfect. I'll have it all done by next Halloween.
No,
2017 Halloween
I
special.
don't want to wait a year. That's
Why not?
stupid. What the?
We
no.
could just film a video of us killing you, and then post that on the
No,
internet.
no, no, no.
instead.
Okay, let's think. Let's
think
think.
it's illegal.
Let's think. Actual solution. Actual solution. Let's think about this.
Okay.
Yeah, you think too, Colin.
I'm thinking. I've been thinking for the past
You
month,
better
man.
come up with a solution.
One eternity later.
I got it.
What?
I got it.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
What is it? What?
What is it?
What is it?
You're a genius.
Is it great? What is it? Tell me.
Boys?
Right here. I used to be a dude. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fuck you, Colin. If you're watching this, you're a piece of shit.
Oh my god, that was so much fun. Oh my god.
Dude, best Halloween ever.
I know, dude. I got the goodies.
Let's kind of trying to refill the month.
You guys doing a trade?
Not for
Hold up. I think.
Let's go count them out. Let's go count. Let's go.
Yeah,
count
Oh
them
yeah, we
out.
gotta count them out.
take this thing off. Oh, teeth hurt my gums.
What did you guys get?
Oh my god, Twix, Snickers.
See what we got.
We hit the gold mine, boys.
Dude, come on.
pile,
I'll mix your pile with my pile.
Colin, did you leave that over there?
Leave what?
The thing right there.
What's there?
Dude,
Oh, sorry. I thought I saw something.
Where did my candy go?
You guys don't organize your candy?
They're all good ones.
Well, it's not like Dad's gonna let us eat this tonight anyway.
Yeah, no, Dad's.
That's why I'm
Dad's gonna be pissed, dude.
Wait, you're eating
What,
it right now. If
No.
he sees you,
If he sees this, what,
He's not gonna come in.
he's
not.
What are you doing?
God damn, what are you kids doing? I'm trying to watch the game. You better not have any candy.
Daddy! Okay. So we got a little candy for
We were just playing with a wand attachment, Daddy.
Yeah, we're not doing. There's no candy.
We're not doing anything.
Alright, well, it's time for you little shits to go to bed. Halloween's over. And if I catch any candy, I'm giving it all to the dentist after 8. Good night.
What the frick?
Dude!
What? Are you trying to blow our cover?
What do you want all of this candy to go to the dentist, dude? You almost told him, dude.
Oh, you're right. I don't know what I was thinking. Why are you such a little
I don't know what I was
thinking. What? What do you mean? Give me your wand.
You're only like a month older than me, KK.
My wand.
Jeez, Chris.
Don't touch my candy.
Where did my candy go?
It's over there.
Let's just get our jammies on and go to bed, alright? I'm sick and tired of this, of you guys.
That's a good idea.
Wait, where's my candy?
Stop it. Don't touch
That's
my
my
candy.
Alright, let's get our jammies on. Come on, guys.
Hey, where are you gonna hide your candy?
Under the bed.
Under the bed.
Yeah, we'll hide under the bed. My candy too. You know, I don't have any candy, but sure.
Stop complaining, Colin. Stop all
You stole all my candy.
I didn't steal anything.
Yes, you did.
I'll give you some later. It's okay.
Alright.
PJ time.
PJ time. PJ time.
Right, guys.
I love PJ.
We're gonna do it together, right? Let's go do it together.
Fuck me, God. Fuck me.
Oh yeah. Let's get to bed, boys.
I wanna be in the middle.
Not freaking Mr. Bear.
Hey, sorry, dude.
Wait,
sorry.
I wanna be in the middle.
Guys. Can someone?
I wanted to be in
turn
the
off
middle.
lights?
No, I want to be in the middle. I want to be in the
Can someone turn
middle.
off the lights?
Hey guys, Uncle Jaime's here.
Hello, boys.
Uncle Jaime.
Uncle Jaime!
Yes, Uncle Jaime. I came to read you guys some spooky stories that you'll enjoy very much. And they'll scare you to death.
Super creepy, scary stories, huh? Scary Halloween stories. Yay! Hey, Colin?
Colin.
I'm gonna spend the night with my friend. I'm gonna spend the night at my friend's house.
No, I can't kill him. The stories aren't that scary unless you can't handle it.
We can handle it. Can we start with the no so scary story first? Maybe like Frankenstein.
Frankenstein? I have the best version there is.
Yeah!
It was a dark and stormy night. The wicked Dr. Frankenstein had just been run out of town for grave robbery and the desecration of corpses. Little did the townspeople know the doctor's unethical work with the dead would change the world of science forever.
Is that it?
Yeah, that was good.
That's good.
Did it work?
That's Little Caesars. Hot and ready. Onions. I'm so fucking faded.
It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
Who's alive?
Come on, you got enough, man.
I know. I'm sorry. Your buddy's here. Your friend. Dracula, Nosfer. What was his name?
Dracula. Not all vampires are the same.
He's right in here.
What's up, Dr. Dank?
Yeah.
How you doing, Mike?
I'm good.
How you doing, dog?
These days be killer. Front for all you mother suckers on the streets. You know, B.
Alright, man. Take a seat. You're making me nervous.
Yeah, don't worry, I got a seat right here, boy.
Oh, well, look at that.
This game.
What are you playing?
Crack Ops.
Yeah, those video games are real fun.
Did you go to that interview that I set up for you?
No.
Thank
I
you.
didn't go. I forgot.
Frankenstein.
I'm sorry. I just can't work for a minimum wage my whole life, paycheck to paycheck. Cracula's got a whole gig set up at his own house.
Yeah.
He's got way more stacks than me. If he can do it, then so can I.
I'm disappointed in you, Denki. I've given you a lot of chance, but clearly it's tough love that you need. You've got one day. I'm giving you 24 hours. Pack up all your things and get out of my house. You want to be out on the streets? Test your luck. And when you try to come back, after you fail, and you will, know that there isn't a house here for you. No house!
He acts like he created me, man. I wish I was a crack monster like you.
Well, you could become one. We got Hennessy. This is the newest innovation in smoking technology. You see this right here? This is the golden blunt. This is the shit that got Moses high. This right here, this is silver. This gets any monster higher than you've ever been. Just don't use too much.
Dude, are you passing out? Wake up, man. Wake up.
I'm fine. I haven't slept in like 47 centuries. All right, let's go. Let's go. We gotta hit the streets. Let's go.
Let's go. Fuck that guy, dude.
Let's get out of here. Let's hit the streets.
I'll be the Pablo Escobar of crack.
Let's go to the crack house. Think it's that.
Where did he come from?
Now tell me right now, monster, you got my money or you got my monster mash?
I'm trying to find a job, I swear, Cracula. Dude, we've been A1 since day one, dude. Don't do me like this. I'll have your money, dude.
It's a monster world out there. I gotta do what I can to survive for me and my crack babies.
No.
You're on your own, Buster.
I don't want a crack baby.
You're on your own.
I wish.
Well, that's why you shouldn't do drugs, right, guys?
I don't know.
What are drugs?
That wasn't a very scary story, Uncle Jaime.
Better one, new one.
Scarier,
Yeah, but
scarier.
hey, but
scarier,
not that
scarier.
scary.
That wasn't scary at all.
Yeah, that wasn't scary, but like not that like
Scarier?
yeah, scarier.
Scarier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like not that scary.
Okay, this next story will be more scary.
Yeah!
There once was two friends who could never back down from a challenge. These fearless boys could do anything they were dared to do. It was only a matter of time that these kids would find the house of the haunting man.
So you remember that one time you guys dared me to tip over the porta potty while a friend was in it? And I tipped it over and it landed on the door so he couldn't get out. He's screaming.
Yeah,
That was a good
awesome.
one.
Or when you guys dared me to piss in the teacher's lounge, cut it all over the ground.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I remember the time you guys dared me to show up to school naked, wearing nothing but my socks.
You just didn't have the sock in the right spot.
I thought it was a good place to put it.
Well, when we egged the principal's house,
Oh,
that was
yeah.
epic.
That was a good
great.
one. You know you'll never top?
What?
Bet you anything you'll never go into Old Man Cooksucker's haunted house.
I don't know anyone that survived that place. I don't know, man. I don't know about that one.
Yeah, you're scared. No one's even lived there for more than a month.
I'm not scared.
Oh, you're scared.
I'm going in.
I dare you to go in. Oh, you're actually... Yeah, I'm going in too. I'm not scared. You know, this place is supposed to be haunted, right?
I ain't scared of no ghosts.
Yeah, me either. Like, they're not even real, right? Hey, let me open it.
Let me do it.
You're jamming. You are jamming.
Stop twisting it
You're
that way.
jamming
Let me
the door.
Let
You're
me
jamming
twist
the
it
door
this
right
way.
now.
No,
Let me
stop
open
it.
it.
I'm
Let me
trying to
open
twist
it.
it this
Let
way.
me open it. Let me open it.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Dude, this place is awesome. Oh, I'm gonna have no problem staying here.
Yeah, I guess it shouldn't be that hard. Not much of a dare, though. Does somebody live here?
I mean, maybe. It looks like it.
Not from outside.
It's no ghost, though. Maybe it's a hobo. It's a super clean hobo. I'm gonna take a nap. Relax a little bit. What was that?
What was what?
You didn't hear that? What was that?
I don't know, but I definitely heard it this time.
That was not okay.
Yeah, it's definitely weird.
What was... Did you just touch my ass?
No, dude. Why would I, how would I do that?
Something just touched me. What was that?
Dude, he's right there. He's right there.
There's nothing there.
See, right there. Right there.
Where is he? Where is he? I see him right there. Is that him right there? Yeah.
Hey there, pretty boy.
Whoa, wait. Where are you trying to go? The door's that way.
No, I'm trying to get out of here. We gotta go through the back door.
I don't know if there is a back door, dude.
I'll go through the window.
I mean, yeah, that was really weird how he was like, "Hey there, pretty boys," but like,
Wait.
creepy.
Pretty boys. He said pretty boy. He was talking to me.
No, he was like,
dude, he only touched my ass.
He's really coming on to us.
He's coming on to me.
Dude, no, dude, he's coming on to... You trying to say
I need to get out of here.
You trying to say you're prettier than I am, dude? This is a really nice jacket.
It's a nice jacket. It's
Yeah, thank you, dude.
doesn't compete with my flannel.
Whoa, dude, whoa. Alright, fine, maybe you should get out of here.
Is that laundry?
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, pretty boy. I just put in a fresh load. And you boys need to take your shoes off if you want to stay in my house.
I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Oh no, I fell down. I fell. Oh gosh. Oh no. I'm so vulnerable. Oh no.
Oh, hell no, honey. I wouldn't hit you if I was 12 shots in the butt.
Uncle Jaime, I thought you were gonna tell us scary stories.
Yeah, those weren't even scary.
Colin's not even
Yeah,
scared.
I'm not scared.
You're not even scared.
Scary stories.
I'm not
scary
scared.
Stories.
We want a
scary
scary story.
Alright. So you kids want a real scary story?
Yeah!
Earlier this evening, there were 3 little punks trick-or-treating.
Stomach hurts.
I can barely hear you. Can you food? What? I can barely hear you.
What'd you say, Ron?
What? Yeah,
What?
Get the.
Okay,
There we
that's
go.
better.
No, yeah, what were you saying about the candy?
Oh yeah, I just ate way. Like he said, I just ate way too much.
Seriously. There were some really good costumes tonight, though, right?
Yeah, there were.
Yeah.
Emphasis on the were.
Yeah.
It must be late, cause nobody else is out here.
We should have a couple more houses.
Like no one out though. I don't think like
You wanna
Well,
maybe
there's-
trade maybe a couple of my almond joys?
there's the
for,
guys. Guys,
you're like-
there's that guys.
What?
The guy right there. You see him?
What guy?
The clown.
There's no one over there.
In the clown outfit.
What are you talking about?
There was a guy in clutches right there. I swear.
No.
Yes, he was. Dude, Ron, you believe me? Come on.
I mean,
Hey,
maybe
he was right. He was standing
well,
right there in that light.
Dude, you just
Using
like
a
to
clown
make
mask and crutches. Yes.
Dude, it's Halloween. You probably
It's okay,
there's
dude.
Scooby. There's
just making stuff
Dude,
up.
why would I lie
everywhere.
about this?
It's okay, Colin.
Dude, just come on. Let's go.
Let's just go.
Let's find some other house. Okay.
That's him. He's right there.
That's him. That's the guy I saw.
Oh my god.
He doesn't look like he has a trick-or-treating bag.
We should walk the other way.
Yeah. All right. Let's go.
It's just
Nice and slow.
Very slow, like. I don't think he can see us. We're good.
I don't think you can see us either.
I don't think we're good.
Wear the mask.
Can you get your hand on my ass?
Your
my hands,
hand.
right? Your hands right on my ass.
boy, that was. Ooh.
Oh, he's
too creepy.
He's gone.
All right, but we're heading home. Come on.
One more house. Dude. Please, one more house.
One more house. It's always the best house.
All right. They better have full-size candy bars, though.
Dude, well, we can get the whole bowl.
I didn't even think about
people.
that.
Yes.
That's a good point.
Nice. They got a bowl. Told you, dude.
Take one, my ass.
So much candy.
I'm stoked. I'm gonna leave those Milky Ways. It's a good score.
Dude, what a good call, right?
Oh my gosh.
Little did they know, I followed them home anyway. Just because I'm not Uncle Jaime.
Happy Halloween, bitches. Best cameraman ever.
Check that out.